This is a brief recap on how to subtract mixed numbers. If you've already watched the Add Mixed Numbers video, then you're going to see it's basically the same process with one little twist we'll come to later on. So, step number 1, we need like denominators. The lowest common multiple for 5 and 3 is 15. So 4/5 is going to become 12/15, and 1/3 is going to become 5/15. So we rewrite our subtraction with our like denominators. 2 and 12/15 subtract 1 and 5/15, and step 2, we subtract. So 2 take away 1 is 1, 12/15 take away 5/15 is 7/15. Step 3, simplify if necessary. As I'm sure you know, 7 is a prime number, which means this can't be simplified. There's our answer. Another example, 2 and 3/5 subtract 1 and 2/3. Step 1, like denominators. So again, we've got the lowest common multiple is going to be 15. 3/5 is going to become 9/15, and 2/3 is going to be 10/15. And we rewrite our calculation with our like denominators. So we've got 2 and 9/15, subtract 1 and 10/15. And we're ready for step 2, which is to subtract. Here though, we've got a slight problem because although I can do 2 take away 1 for my whole numbers, I can't do 9/15 take away 10/15. So I'm going to exchange one of my wholes for 15/15. So instead of 9/15, if I add another 15, I've now got 24/15. So my calculation now is 1 and 24/15 subtract 1 and 10/15. So 1 take away 1 is nothing, 24 take away 10 is going to be 14/15. Step 3. I've written down the wrong answer there. I'll remove that one. So 14/15 doesn't simplify because there are no common factors for 14 and 15. So this is our answer. Third example. 4 and 7/12 take away 1 and 5/6. Step 1, like denominators. So my lowest common multiple in this case is 12. So 7/12 is going to stay the same, and 5/6 is going to become 10/12. So step 2, I rewrite my subtraction with the like denominators. 4 and 7/12 take away 1 and 10/12. Again, I can subtract the whole numbers but not the fractions. So I'm going to exchange one of my wholes for 12/12. 7 add 12 means I've now got 19/12 here. So I've got 3 and 19/12. Take away 1 and 10/12. Which leaves me with 3 take away 1 is 2, 19 take away 10, 9/12. So this time we go on to our third step, 2 and 9/12. Well, this can be simplified because 9 and 12 are both multiples of 3. So the simplest term is going to be 2 and 3/4 if I divide both of these here by 3. And that is how you subtract mixed numbers.